Good morning, ladies. Here is our new story problem for the day. Let's go ahead and get started. It says, a florist ordered 161 roses for an upcoming wedding. She placed the roses into 13 vases with the same number of roses in each vase. How many roses are in each vase? So this is similar to a problem that we just did a little bit ago. So keep that in mind when you're solving the problem for strategies. I drew my line and I already wrote my cube, so let's go ahead and get started. See, we're going to circle the important numbers. I've got 161 roses that she's placing into 13 vases. Now I'm going to go ahead and underline my question. My question is, how many roses are in each vase? And boxing in those important words, I know that there are 161 roses, and she placed the roses into 13 vases with the same number of roses in each vase. How many roses are in each vase? So that is what I need to solve. Go ahead and show me two different ways and unpause the video once you have shown me that. All right, if you're back, that means you must have figured out the answer. So let's go ahead and show one way to do this. So one way that I could possibly do this is by drawing a picture. So I know that we're placing into 13 vases. So I'm gonna draw 13 vases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 vases. Now I need to place my 161 roses in those vases with the same amount each time. And that'll tell me how many roses are in each vase. So you would go ahead and you would gonna just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you're gonna keep going until you run out of roses. But you need to make sure that you're careful because it has to be the same amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be back. Boom. So now I'm back and I have done my thing and I've gone through and now I'm at 156. I cannot keep going because I'm gonna run out of roses before I can fit another one into each of them, because I would do 157, 158, 159, 160, 161. And I can't because these wouldn't get filled and they need to have the same amount in each. So now I'm done. That's as much as I can fill. And now I need to figure out how many roses are in each of the vases. So if I go ahead and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 in each of these vases. So my answer is 12 roses in each vase. And that is my answer. Yes, it might have taken you a while to do this, but if this is one way that you know how to do it, this is one way you know how to do it. But I'm going to show you a quicker and easier way to do it. Let's go. So a quicker way that you can do this is by starting off with how many you have. You're going to have 13, right? You have 13 vases and you need to fill them up. So you need to figure out how many you're going to be able to do that with. And we're going to be skip counting just like we did the last time. And we're going to try to get up to 161. Okay, that's your goal. So if I do 13 plus 13, and you have all this space to do your work. So if you need to count each time, that's totally fine. Okay, so if I started and I did 13 plus 13, I'm going to get 26. So now I'm going to put that up here. And I'm just skip counting until I can try to get to 161. So now I would add another 13. 26 plus 13 gives me 39. So I put that up here. And you're going to keep going and going and going. So 39 plus 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, carry the 1, 3, 4, 5, 52. I'm going to put that up there. I'm going to do 52 plus 13. So if you didn't do this, I want you to stop the video right now, and I want you to continue to do that and add those up each time. If you have done it and you already have your answer, then let's keep going. Okay? So if I keep going and I keep adding 13, 52 plus 13 is going to give me 65. 65 plus 13 is going to give me 78. 78 plus 13 is going to give me 91. 91 plus 13 is going to give me 104. 104 plus 13 is going to give me 117. 117 plus 117 plus 13 gives me 130. 130 plus 13 gives me 143. 143 plus 13 gives me 156. Now, if I did 156 plus 13, that would give me 169 roses, which I do not have. So this is a no-no, okay? I can only go up to 156, which is just like we saw over here. So that's the max that I can go. So now I can count these up and see how many I'm gonna put them in. Because this is like 1 vase, 2 vases, because you see there's still 13 in each of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there are still 12 of them. So you still have your answer of the good old 12. And that is that. So those are 2 ways that you can do it. There are plenty of other ways. Excellent job. This is a hard one, but you guys are doing fabulous. Keep up the good work. Make sure you go and check out the other YouTube videos. Then you head on over to Zearn. Then you head on over to Newsela. Then you do whatever else you got to do. You got the packets that are coming through. And have a fabulous day. Bye.